only puddle in the world this book belongs to.
Alright, let's go. I really want to get this, but I kind of want to tell them that we want even more. You know?
That hit me in the head.
We'll find the net and, you know, well, don't do that, Eden.
I stopped the film, I think. No, I didn't. Don't worry, carry on.
Yeah, just gonna go. La la la. Oh my god. Water bomb.
Oh! It's not wet. You see what I did there?
Yes. Awkwardness. Let's go find the stairs and see what they got upstairs. We're looking for a diary, because Eden wants to start a
We want to
band.
start a band.
So, you know, I'm on drums,
I'm lead.
at vocals, I'm backing
Yeah.
vocals, because I can sing.
So can I.
Cool. I think lighting's up here. Someone's stuck in the lift. Someone's stuck in the lift.
Stuck in the lift.
Let's go get a headshot.
I'm going to find out.
Oh, I don't think there's notepads up here.
Stuck in the lift.
That looks like a really dodgy lift to get stuck in. Oh my god, I actually just want to jump on that bed, but it doesn't look that comfortable.
That one definitely.
Oh my god, I want that bed! Look, it's Thomas Tank Engine! I don't think I'd fit. Eden, take the camera. Take it.
Wait. My little midget fits.
I don't.
She's my sexy midget.
I'd fit if I was...
My go.
No, you're not going to fit.
I know. That's the fun thing. This is £59. Do a pay £59. Hey, I squished!
And I'm sitting in a little pink chair and I'm probably going to break it. It's £2.45. Do you want to get a couple? We're actually doing this. Eden's buying a pink one, I'm buying a blue one.
I might go in orange instead.
Oh yeah, orange is cool. Orange is over there and there's some there. Okay, this is going to be fun. We've changed colour completely and we're both getting green now to be matching and awesome and Starburst. I like the green Starburst. And now we're going to go in the lift because we've got chairs and we can't carry them downstairs.
We should go.
And there's my chair and better move it because we're coming.
What the hell are we going to do with the chair?
We're sitting in random places.
Yeah, I know that.
Did we really just buy mini chairs for £2.45?
Yes? Yes, we did.
Yes, there's my receipt. So, let's go do this.
And here's mine coming down.
Yay! Eden, slow as normal. So we're just like filming this video with the chairs. It's going to be fun.
Oh, don't hit the face.